Hey everybody, what is up? Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today is Wednesday and I've been having such a good day. I hope you guys are as well. We got a message from our realtor that we got an offer, full asking offer, which amazing. Dan right now is at a job interview to get a really decent position. So I'm wishing and hoping the best for him. I went to Walmart today, got a little Ulta. So today is a good day. Also, I've been waiting for this package to come in for the last few days and I'm so excited. It's here and I'm gonna share it with you. So I don't think I've ever done an actual perfume or fragrance review here on my channel. I don't know. I'm really picky with fragrance, if I'm being honest. I have one that is like my OG, tried true. I've been wearing it for a bajillion years now. And that is Ralph Lauren. Like the original has a blue cap on it. That one just mixes so well with my body chemistry. I get so many compliments. I remember my last job, they knew I was in the building before they even seen me because of my perfume. That's my OG. I also at the moment right now have Gucci Bloom and a YSL perfume. Other than that, you know, I have maybe like a couple, you know, cheaper alternatives. But anyways, if you watch me for a very long time, you know that I love Stephanie Ledda. Her handle is SMLXO. I started following her and watching her, oh my gosh, 7 or 8 years ago. I remember when we moved into our first house, Dan worked overnight and I had nothing to do like from 8 p.m. on. And I didn't know anything about YouTube. Like at the time, that's when like people were like, you know, diving in, like the video quality wasn't anything, you know, crazy. It wasn't like it is now. And I randomly came across SMLXO Vlogmas. And I fell in love with her. She's super, super funny, smart, very beautiful. And the one thing I love the most about her is she is so down to earth. So when I first started my channel, she really inspired me to start my channel. Everything that I knew and learned about beauty was from her. And I started my channel and I was having an issue with giveaways. So I DM'd her, not expecting a peep back. And she was so nice and took the time to really help me out. Looking back, I was so embarrassed. Like she's at over a million subscribers and I'm DMing her with like 40 people, like living my best YouTube life. Oh my God. But she was super nice and DM'd me back. We've kept in contact a few other times. I DM'd her recently about her new launch. So I don't know about you, but I will not spend $100 on a perfume if I won't spend $100 on anything if I can't see it, touch it, smell it, feel it, nothing. That is just me. I love her. I've ordered from Poshmark, you know, her Poshmark. I've done a few things, but perfume is just different for me. And if I can't smell it and I can't go to Ulta like that and return it, I don't know. I think a lot of us are like that. I remember probably like last year, someone asked me, I did a video, like a Q&A video, and someone asked me what brand would I love to get PR from? Like that would make my life, you know? And I said, Uncommon James, Miranda Fry, and Stephanie Ledda. So I think at that point, she's never even, at that point when I said that in the video, she didn't even have a fragrance line, but you know, girl, I would wear the hell out of your Ledda hoodie. Just kidding. I would never ask, and she would probably never see this video, so it's okay. But anyways, I love her, adore her. Go follow her on Instagram. Go check her YouTube out. She doesn't really film that often. She is a new mom, but yeah, let's get started. So excited. So she came out with this discovery set and this is $18. You get to try all of the perfumes that she came out with. One of the things that I will give props for her and her brand is I literally ordered this. The launch came out and I think a few hours later I ordered this. the next morning at like 5 a.m., I check my email and it says that my package shipped. And I'm like, what? Like, that is crazy to me. Like, Sephora doesn't even ship that quick. Anyways, I gave her props because that is amazing. Like, within 3 days, I had this order. So, anyways, and also, too, the packaging. I love the gold. I'm a gold girly. And it's just nice and sturdy. It's very luxe. I think this would be a great gift to somebody. So the back does give all of the names of the perfumes. It doesn't give any notes or anything. It just gives the ingredients. Oh, and you can also scan to check out her full fragrance line. So she does have candles, bath soaps, merch, perfume, and travel perfume. So let's open her up. We're just gonna, could you imagine if I broke it? Okay, hold on. Let's make sure they're in there. Take two. Yeah. So I love that. I really, really do. I love the packaging. And I'm gonna be honest, this is actually a lot of perfume in here for travel. Like, that's a good size, especially if you're someone that already is familiar with the perfumes and you know you like them all. That's actually not bad. She also has like the travel size perfumes, and she came up with a cover, like you put your perfume in this like little cover. It's like a white texture with a Ledda. It's so pretty. Definitely go check these out. But yeah, I'm very excited. I've been waiting all day. I wanted to sit down and create like a good backdrop and actually do my hair and my makeup. My hair looks crazy because I cut my bangs. I need a professional now. So my hair's all crazy. Anyways, I am not going to go in here and tell you every note. I'm not going to tell you if this is good layered with this other perfume. She's not going to do all that. All I'm going to tell you is if I like it or not. And of course, I am going to try my hardest not to be biased because I love her. But this is what I will tell you. I think the number 18 Vanilla Nuit is going to be, sorry if I butchered that, is going to be my least favorite. I'm not a really big vanilla musk type person. I have one vanilla scent. I think it's from Believe Beauty or Bath and Body Works that I can tolerate because it's not super overwhelming. But for the most part, I'm not a really big vanilla person. My mom will probably love this. So I'm going to say this is going to be my number 3. I will say 22 Oris is going to be my number 2. And I think my number 1 is going to be her new one, the 14 Isla Coco. Island Coco? I don't know. All right, so we're going to lift up the sleeves. How cute, by the way, is this sweater from Walmart? I don't even love this color, but it's just so cute. And it's super long, so if you're someone that likes to cover the butt, I like mine to stick out and then kind of fluff over. But I have it paired with these American Eagle jeans, one of my favorites, and then these nice white shoes. And I know it's super hot. Everyone's probably like, Michelle, it's like 93 degrees out. Yes, but in here, in this house, it is super cold. So let's get started. All right, let's do 22 Oris first. Wow, I can smell it already. Oh, she has candles. This scent made me think of a candle. That smells so good. I was really nervous with 22 Oris because a lot of reviews are it's really mature and it's sexy and it's more of a nighttime perfume or a date night. And that made me think of like a Tabasco musk type thing. But this is so pretty. So pretty. It is more of that like sexy kind of vibe, but that is so good. Now I kind of wish I would have looked at the notes That surprised me. This though, in a candle, would be amazing. Like, light it up in the bedroom. Wow, that definitely was not what I was thinking. All right, we're gonna go with number 18. This is the vanilla one. Really can't smell it like I did that one, the first one. I don't get much vanilla, so that's a plus. It's very feminine, like classy, clean. I don't hate this one. Oh, I wish you guys were here so you can smell them. These are amazing. Like, I've been missing out for how long now since she's had this brand. So excited for the new one. I think this is going to be like a coconut dream walk beach. Where am I going to spray it? Wait. This reminds me of something. Oh, that smells so good. These two, the 22 Oris and the I Like Cocoa, these two are at a dead tie. Like, they are very different. All of these are different. Like, these are amazing. It's been a long time, too, since I went. Like, I went to Ulta months ago and was trying to find a new perfume. And I was testing all of them. And out of 10, I only liked one. Like, it is crazy to me that I would rock all three of these. Like, this one I could probably, like, leave out. But these two are amazing. Sometimes you just don't listen. That's why I don't like go into the notes and this and that. Like, I just want you to smell it. You know what I mean? They're like, oh, I don't like amber. I mean, well, you try a perfume with amber in it, you don't know amber's in it, and it smells amazing. Do you get what I'm saying? These are, though, at a dead tie. They are very different, which I love. One is a great nighttime, you know, date night type themed. And this one is all day, every day, clean. It's just, these are amazing. Like, I can see Ledda fragrance going to big places. Wow. Okay, you guys, if you have not tried this brand before, I would definitely recommend it. 22 Orso, dude, in a candle. Chef's kiss. Also, too, before I forget, when you purchase this, it is $18. With shipping and everything, it was $24. But you do get a 15% off coupon to... you get a 15% off coupon you can put that towards a full-size bottle. So I think that's amazing because who doesn't love a discount, especially when a perfume's like $100. So I love that. I think the packaging is great. The shipping was great. The smell is great. These are really nice, bigger travel sizes. I will definitely be putting these in my bag and using them up. I think I might, instead of doing a big bottle and spending like over $200 plus shipping on 2 big bottles, I'm not gonna lie, I think I might just get both travel sizes of those two, because the travel sizes, I believe, are between $36 or $38. So yeah, you'll never see this, Stephanie, but if you ever do, great job. I love these. And I looked at a couple of reviews online and there wasn't really anything negative, and everyone really loves these. So consider me biased at all. That's fine. I would go check out other reviews if you haven't tried any of these yet. I've watched about 5 different reviews, and again, everyone really loves these. The packaging is beautiful on the bigger bottles. The candles, only $48 for a candle. I love that. So thank you, Stephanie and the Ledda team, fragrance team, for allowing all of us to afford and be able to try these. These are great. But yeah, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you tried any of these. I would love to know your thoughts. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye, guys.